I brought this fire extinguisher from Chinese store. It's also available on AliExpress. Here is an instructions written in Chinese. Let me show you how this product works. It has these two things, a liquid bottle and a tiny fire extinguisher. It can be used as kitchen. Now the secret is it's not actually a fire extinguisher but a lighter, a flint stone lighter. The striker has cotton on it to ignite the fire. It has a metal end which strikes the flint stone and creates spark, and the fuel on the cotton catch fire. Well, I should add the fuel. We can use petrol, diesel or alcohol. It works with all the gasolines. It is difficult to blow out the flame once it's ignited, so be careful while using it indoor. We have to add the fuel every time we use, and also we have to change the cotton after some time. But even if you don't have fuel, you can use the lighter. You just need a cotton or a wood chips to ignite the fire. Okay, hope you like this lighter and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.